Ever wondered if your current mobile operating system might be holding you back? Is it truly offering you the best of what mobile technology has to offer? Today we're diving into the world of Apple's latest mobile operating system, iOS 18, and the incredible features it brings to the table. First on the list is the redesigned interface. Apple has pulled out all the stops with a user interface that's not just sleeker, but also more intuitive and customizable. From the reimagined control center to the revamped notification center, the interface of iOS 18 is all about providing a seamless and streamlined user experience. But the innovation doesn't stop at aesthetics. iOS 18 is packed with a host of powerful new features, with augmented reality, AR, integration being one of the most exciting. Immerse yourself in AR experiences right on your iPhone, from exploring new places with maps to trying out virtual furniture with the redesigned Home app. iOS 18 also takes smart home integration up a notch. It supports more smart devices and offers enhanced automation capabilities. Now, controlling your home is as easy as a single tap on your iPhone screen, from adjusting the thermostat to dimming the lights or checking your security cameras. Privacy and security have always been Apple's top priorities, and iOS 18 takes them to new levels. Enhanced app permissions and improved data encryption techniques ensure that your personal information stays safe and secure. But what sets iOS 18 apart is its commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. Features like smart charging optimize battery health and reduce energy consumption. Moreover, the use of eco-friendly materials in iPhone manufacturing shows Apple's dedication to creating a more sustainable future. So there you have it. iOS 18 is not just a mobile operating system, it's a powerful combination of cutting-edge features, enhanced privacy and security, and a commitment to sustainability. So why hold back? Experience the future of mobile computing today with iOS 18. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the latest tech innovations. Until next time.